WOSEN Lighting is renowned for its efficient, precise, and intelligent production lines, ensuring high quality and consistency in its products. WOSEN Lighting's assembly lines feature highly automated and intelligent designs, combined with advanced production equipment, scientific management processes, and strict quality control. It can meet the needs of both large-scale production and customization. The assembly line covers processes such as raw material handling, component production, product assembly, quality inspection, and packaging. Before all raw materials enter the production line, they undergo rigorous quality testing. Professional technicians conduct manual assembly to ensure the uniqueness and high quality of the products. The product surfaces undergo painting or electroplating treatment to enhance their aesthetics and durability. The products undergo a visual inspection after surface treatment, ensuring no flaws, scratches, and with uniform color application.